Welcome to the CWV podcast. We liberate lives with our vocal.
Welcome to the CWV podcast, the podcast where we explore the bleeding edge of living to the reality and tech world. Also, big questions. Today, we'll be diving into a topic that sounds like it's straight out of science fiction: quantum computers. They are touted by the next revolution in computing, promising to solve problems that are currently impossible for even the most powerful supercomputers. But do they actually exist, or we are still living in the realm of the theoretical physics? I'm your host, Sultan Ayodele. Let's cut to the chase. Quantum computers, real or science fiction? They are very real, though perhaps not in the way most people imagine. We are not talking about a desktop replacement that will run your spreadsheets faster. We are talking about a machines that leverage the principles of quantum mechanics to perform computations in fundamentally different ways. So let's bounce to the principles we are talking about. The key concepts are superposition and entangled. In classical computing, bits are either 0 or 1. In quantum computing, we use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both simultaneously. That's a superposition. Entanglement is even wider. It's when two qubits become linked and their fates are entangled, even if they are separated by vast distance. So it's like a coin spinning in the air, not yet landed on heads or tails. And then you have multiple coins, and if you know one lands on head, the other instantly lands on tail, even if they are far apart. Now, so before we continue, I want us to know that quantum computer is talking about a system that deals with qubits, 0 to 1, 0 or 1 simultaneously. And you are meant to know that these qubits works entangled to each other. It's just like binary numbers, just like the normal computer that we know, but works on 0 to 1 binary numbers. So naturally, computers are built by binary. Computers are built by binary numbers. So the way computer is being built now, this one is a more advanced computer that it says is meant to solve problems faster than the usual computer we all know. So let's look at how does this translate into actual computing power. Now, qubits can exist in multiple states at once. Quantum computer can explore many possibilities simultaneously, complex for classical computers, like breaking certain encryption algorithms, simulating complex molecules for drug discovery, or optimizing logistics on a massive scale. And we have seen significant progress in recent years. Companies like Google, IBM, and others have built working quantum computers. They are still in their early stage, noisy and error-prone, but they demonstrate the potential. Qubits are extremely fragile. Any interaction with the environment can cause them to lose their quantum state. A process can occurrence. Building stable, scalable quantum computers requires overcoming the challenges. So, to build a quantum computer, we need to first understand the quantum, the encryption algorithms of that computer. So you first have to discover the algorithms, and the companies that are working on these quantum computers are like Google, for example. Google, for example, has this, because when I made my research, I saw the quantum computer of Google, and they like this, like we are going to know. It says that they are still vulnerable to problems. They are still vulnerable to damages. So it means the process is still the occurrence. It has not reached the state where it is being stable or scalable. So they are working on errors correction techniques and importing qubit stability. So how does a quantum computer look like? They often look like complex arrays of superconditioning circuits housed in massive cryogenic refrigerators to keep them at temperatures near absolute zero. You can see, now this is just a description of how quantum computer is. Let us know that it is a combination of circuits, superconducting circuits, housed in a massive cryogenic refrigerators to keep them at temperature near absolute zero. Meaning that the temperature does not have to be either cold or hot. It does have to be in a place where it is just normal, in normal state. So it's very specialized environment. So the application mentioned on drugs discovery and encryption. Let's look at the potential uses. We have the material science, the financial modeling, the artificial intelligence, which is AI, the climax modeling. The potential is vast, meaning that is a wide potential for this computer. Imagine stimulating or simulating new materials with specific properties, designing more efficient batteries, or developing AI algorithms that can learn and adapt in ways we can't currently achieve. We are in a technological shift. Quantum computers won't replace classical computers entirely. They will be used for specific tasks where their unique capabilities provide a specific advantage, meaning that the usual computers we know would not be replaced. But this one is made as an advanced computer to solve problems beyond the usual computers we have. It's more about an hybrid approach where classical and quantum computers work together. You see, both quantum and the usual computer we know, they work together hand in hand. Quantum computers are indeed real and have the potential to revolutionize many industries. We are still in the early stage, but the progress is undeniable. The quantum revolution is underway. So you know that the quantum computer is a system, is a machine that works progressively than the classical computers we have today. And this is the end of today's podcast show. Thank you for listening to CWV Podcast. Join us next time as we explore another exciting development in the world of technology and our life beyond. I'm your host, Sultan Ayodele. Have a blessed day.
Do you like this episode? Don't forget to subscribe to the CWV podcast to stay updated on our latest episode and follow our social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X to read our posts and updates. Content Writer's Voice is a rising online platform, your source for your writing needs. From captivating designs to engaging blog posts and web copy, our professional writing services make a difference. Contact us today and let your words speak volume. Thank you for listening.